Hello and welcome to Anand Learning Studio in a series of video lectures where we will be learning Python from basic to advanced. This is going to be the second video tutorial where we will be downloading the anaconda distribution of Python. So let's quickly jump to the installation part. In last video we have seen the how to install the official Python distribution from Python's official website on Windows. In this lecture we will be downloading the anaconda distribution on Windows system. So this is the page where we need to navigate www.anaconda.com/downloads, and this is the feature. Okay, so in anaconda distribution you will be getting thousands of most fundamental DSA and ML packages. You will be able to manage the packages and environments. Also you will be able, the deployment across the different hardwares and softwares will be very easy. You will be getting a lot of other important packages and IDs within this installation. So without wasting a time, let's quickly install. So in order to install, let's click on download, and this will be helping me to download the latest version of Anaconda which is available in currently. If I want to go to some other OSs, so I can quickly change my OS from here. So by default it will select your OS and it will show the download button. So I will press the download button and the download had started. So it's around a GB of file. It is going to take some time, so let's wait. I will pause the recording for the moment, and once the download is completed we will resume. Okay, so the download is about to finish. Great. Now we can click on open file, and once we will click on this open file, it will try to the window installer will try to open this .exe file. Since the file is very large, it's taking some time, as you can see. Okay, I've clicked it twice, so let me close one instance. I've opened it multiple times. Yeah, cool. So now click on next, click on I agree, and if it's a personal laptop or if you want to install for all the users, you can just click on all the users. Since I'm the only user for this laptop, I will be just going ahead with just me, and I will not change this destination folder. I will be going with the default one. If you want to change the destination folder, you can obviously browse and select your destination folder where you want to keep this particular package. Click on next. Now in this particular window we will have some checkboxes which are checked, some checkboxes which are unchecked. Let's quickly check the second one. What is happening here? I am just suggesting to add anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. We might have seen in our Python installation from the official distribution, there also we have checked the box to add Python 3 to the path environment variable. If we will not add, so even though we will have this anaconda installed in my system, by default your system will not be able to recognize that installation. Okay, so every time you want to use, you will have to set the Python path. Once we'll check this box, automatically this while the installation is going on in the backend, it will be adding the anaconda 3 to your Python so to your path environment variable, and from then your system will be automatically able to detect that this particular software. Let's click on install. It's taking some time. Let me pause the recording and I will resume once this is done. Okay, now we can see the installation has completed and it's giving me the successful completed message. But yeah, don't worry, the installation will be taking some time, so don't panic. Even if you feel that okay, it is stuck or somewhere, it will take around 8 to 10 minutes. It might take, depending on the on your system's configuration. So once this installation is complete, you need to hit next button, okay, and then hit the next button. And then I don't need this Anaconda navigator right now to launch, and I don't need this one also, so I'll click on finish. So now we will check the installation, or also we will open Jupyter Notebook and we'll try out few things whether Python is installed successfully or not. So let's quickly jump and let's see the Jupyter Notebook. Before opening Jupyter Notebook, let's quickly open command prompt and let's see the Python version. So when I installed the Python from the official website, I installed Python 3.12, but along with Anaconda, the Python 3.11 is installed. So let's quickly see first of all what Conda version is there. I missed this one more hyphen. Okay, so yeah, you can see the Conda version is there, so it means Anaconda was successfully installed. Let's quickly see the Python version. Yes, so we have this Python 3.11.5 again, which is a stable version of Python. Let's quickly open a Jupyter Notebook. So in Windows, to open Jupyter Notebook, either you can open a terminal and type in Jupyter Notebook, or you can find Jupyter Notebook as an app also. Okay, so when you start typing JUP, you will see the suggestion, open this particular app. Now this Jupyter Notebook is a browser based IDE. I will be creating a separate tutorial to cover this particular IDE as well as other important IDEs, but in a nutshell, it's a browser based IDE. It doesn't require any internet connection to run. So you can just play around. You have to just either you can just create some folders, you can create some notebooks. So you have to just create Python 3, you can create text file, you can create folder, you can create terminal from here. Okay, so suppose let me create a folder here, and then in this untitled folder let me rename it to Anand Learning Studio Python tutorial, and then let's open this folder, and inside this folder let's click on new and then Python 3. So it will just create a new notebook. So this interface which we are seeing right now, it's called a notebook, and in this notebook we can play around. So let's quickly see whether we are able to. So let's suppose I'm creating some variables. Let's quickly execute. Yes, so we are getting the answers correct. The Python is getting executed successfully, so we are good with our installation. So this tutorial is not mainly talking about Jupyter Notebook. I will create a separate in detail lecture tutorial on how to work with Jupyter Notebook. But for this tutorial, yes, we are done with the installation. That's it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.